How to clear all conversations on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile, then you have to go on the chat option that is located on the bottom toolbar. Click on that. As you click on the chat bar option, now you have to go on the profile option that is located up above. As you click on the profile option, that is, you have to go to settings option. As you go to the settings option, then you have to scroll down. As you scroll down, you have to go on account actions. Now over here you will have an option of clear conversation. As you click on clear conversation, now you will be able to clear conversations one by one. There is no clear way to clear all the conversation on Snapchat. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.